Not disinfecting your brooder might be the reason why your chicks are dying. In this video, I'll show you the proper way to do that. I'm teaching Ryan from Fiesta Academy. Whenever you want to disinfect your brooder or the whole pen at large, the first thing you need to do is remove any form of dirt in the pen or brooder, be it their poo or carton or anything. Just scrape them out, pack them off. And then the next thing after doing that is to wash the floor and the walls with water and detergents. If you can use soap, fine. Anyone that is okay for you is okay for me too. Anyone that is okay for you is okay. Then after doing that, the next thing you need to do is you get your disinfectants. For me now, I currently use a Vinco Kill. They didn't pay for any form of advertisement, but that is the one that I'm using now. Then you bring your knapsack. If you don't have a knapsack, you should have any form of a sprayer, because whenever you want to disinfect your brooder or the pen or the poultry house at large, there are some edges. There are some, like the nets, the nets, and some other parts of your brooder or your pen or the poultry house where water cannot touch without using a knapsack or sprayer. So you need to use this. Then after you've washed, then you get your knapsack. Then use it to disinfect your brooder or your pen. But I've done the washing, I've done the scraping, I've done I've even disinfected this place you are seeing now before. This is just a retouch, so that if there is any new germs or whatever, it will go off. Then before I forget, the mixture of the disinfectant should be mild. It shouldn't be that concentrated. And then after disinfecting your pen or your brooder, you should leave it to open for at least 1 or 2 weeks before stocking in a new batch of birds. Otherwise, it might lead to the mortality of your chick. With this thing now, with this little thing that I've shared with you, I believe you can disinfect your brooder, your poultry house, or your pen properly. But if you want to know more things about how to brood your chicks properly, watch this video.